doing my sheep activity today. So let's go. Apply the glue first. Apply glue properly. Now put the cotton on the paper. This is animal sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. Sheep likes to eat grass. They are in black, brown and white color. Sheep give us wool. Sheep baby called lamb. Sheep sound is ba, ba. If you like my activity, then do like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.